Hello and welcome to Cryssbery Reviews. So it's winter, right? And my skin has started getting super dry and now it's time for a skincare, right? So let's go. So what we need now is vitamin E capsule. What I have here is Evian 400 mg capsule. Then we need aloe vera gel, or also you can use fresh aloe vera, whichever suits your skin. So let me show you how to make the face pack. First, take one vitamin E capsule, just prick it with a pin, this, that's it, in a bowl, just squeeze it. You won't even need half the capsule, the content of half the capsule. Just take it. Now the aloe vera, just cut the sides of the aloe vera. You will just need a small piece of it. Just cut it in half. See, just remove it with the spoon like this. You see? Mix it with a vitamin E that we already have in the bowl. Just mix it. Apply it like this. If you don't want to use aloe vera, you can use just a vitamin E oil, and it is really good for your skin. You can simply take the vitamin E oil and apply it on your face. As I told you before, you can just wait for 20 minutes to half an hour and then wash it off. That'll really make your skin, soft and supple during this winter especially. It doesn't make your skin dry, and you can apply it once in a week. That will be good. So hope you like the video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.